In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping address on 1688 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to save a default address so checkout is faster next time. Start by going to 1688.com and logging into your account. If the site appears in Chinese, a quick tip is to use your browser's built-in translation, like Chrome's Translate feature. It won't change the actual buttons on the site, but it can help you understand the page while you follow along with the original labels. Once you're logged in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Zhenghu Sheji, which means account settings. On the settings page, find and click Shouhuo Dizhi Guanli, or shipping address management. This is where all your delivery locations are stored. Next, click Xinzeng Shouhuo Dizhi, which means add new address. A form will appear with several fields. For Shouhuo Ren Xingming, enter the receiver's name as you want it to appear on the parcel. For Suozai Dichu, select the province, city, and district. These are usually cascading drop-downs. Take your time to pick the exact region because it affects shipping options and fees. For Xiangxi Diji, type the full street address, such as building number, street name, unit, or room number, and any landmark that helps the courier. For Shouji Haoma, enter a valid phone number that couriers can call if needed. If you're using a local warehouse or freight forwarder within mainland China, enter the number they provide. Yuzheng Bianma, or postal code, is optional on many addresses in China, but include it if you have it to improve delivery accuracy. If you want this to be the address used by default at checkout, tick Shi Wei Mo Ren Dizhi, which means set as default. This is helpful if you primarily ship to the same place and want to skip extra clicks in the future. When everything looks correct, click Bao Kun or Save. You should now see your new address listed in the address management page. If you marked it as default, it will be labeled accordingly. From here, you can also edit or delete addresses in the future and add multiple locations if you ship to different places. If you run into issues saving, double check that the region selections are complete and the phone number matches the expected format. Occasionally, disabling translation temporarily can help if drop-downs don't behave as expected. That's it. Your shipping address is now added on 1688 and ready to use at checkout. Thanks for watching and happy sourcing!